I now request हमारे डायरेक्टर मार्केटिंग आदरणीय श्री YK गवली सर कि सर कृपया हमें मार्गदर्शन करें।
Respected Chairman and Managing Director, my fellow directors seated on the dais, Mr. Sambaria ji, distinguished office bearers of the association, Mr. Ganesh, dear colleagues and ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon to you. It is indeed a pleasure and privilege to be present here today and meet with and address all the representatives and office bearers of HP Seva working at HPCL. The true hallmark of the organization is that they constantly review their own performance and make the required course corrections in order to stay focused to their vision, objectives and ideals. That HP Seva has been having this meet on an annual basis is indeed commendable, and my compliments to the office bearers and the HR team for facilitating this. The Constitution of India, which was drafted by our Honorable Shri Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji, introduced a series of systemic changes in order to remove the inequalities that existed in the society at that point of time. These changes gave rise to various policies on reservation and protection of rights of people belonging to SC/ST community. I would like to state that the marketing division of HPCL, in line with our corporate management philosophy, stands fully committed to protect the interest of SC/ST employees working at locations across various parts of this country. Towards this objective, I am informed that zonal committees have been constituted at all the zones, comprising of representatives of SC/ST employees working at locations under the zones and heads of retail, LPG and HR departments of the zone are the other members of this committee. I am happy to learn that there have been regular meetings of this committee once in every quarter to discuss on pertinent issues. I therefore strongly believe that this form of continuous dialogue between the representatives and the management will help in understanding each other in a better way, if any, and resolving the issues effectively. I believe that elevation of social and economic status of people belonging to SC/ST communities should be through a holistic approach. It is with this intention that we have extended various privileges to other stakeholders of HPCL belonging to SC/ST community. We are regularly conducting a management development program for dealers who belong to SC/ST community. The objective of this program is to create business awareness and acumen among such dealers in order to perform better in the marketplace and compete and become better than the best. Apart from MDP, we also conduct various customized training programs for dealers belonging to SC/ST community. As per the government directives, we are also providing various types of financial assistance to dealers belonging to this community, like working loan capital, infrastructure development of outlets, etc. We have also identified various remote locations in the vicinity of marketing locations where people belonging to SC/ST communities are staying and socio-economic conditions are very poor. We have undertaken various projects in consultation with our CSR department, CLO, for improving the socio-economic conditions of these locations. Few of the projects undertaken are providing infrastructure, that is schools where majority of students are from SC/ST community, providing basic amenities such as toilets, drinking water, etc. Apart from this, the marketing locations are actively involved in finalization of scholarships to students belonging to SC/ST who are studying at various educational institutions across the country. This scholarship is provided in line with the policy formulated by HPCL management. On this occasion, I would like to thank each one of you for partnering with the corporation and the marketing division in particular, and being an integral part in voicing the concerns of SC/ST and playing a key role in the uplift of stakeholders belonging to the SC/ST and contributing to the continued success of various businesses of HPCL. Thank you very much.